So I got a little problem here with my Bronco tailgate. I closed the tailgate and then I couldn't get it open. I think I've got a problem somewhere within the latch assembly. Either the plastic pieces that where the bars come together or the bars are actually bent. And I've included the links to all the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow along. All right, let's get into it. Take this cover plate off and try and figure out what's going on. It definitely helps that I have already replaced my window motor because I will need to get the window up access where these parts are.
All right, so it's literally that rod right here. It just slipped out really. Actually, that plastic piece broke that connects it. And I bet the other ones are probably due to be replaced too. Here's one rod, the one's on the other side. Down low. And there's a new motor that I replaced not too long ago.
Oddly enough, there was an extra retainer latch rod clip attached to the latch mechanism that wasn't being used, so I pulled that one off and swapped it out as a temporary fix until I could order new ones.
Nice. So I'll have to replace that plastic piece. I might as well replace all of them because it's probably about due since it is a 79. But for a temporary fix, at least it works now, and that's good to know that all you need to do is look for those plastic attachments to see if they've broken. Hey guys, thanks for watching this how-to video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And as always, I've included the links to the products and tools I used today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.